Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You're ready to begin. Confirm your device supports Now TV and have your payment method handy. First, download the Now TV app or open Now TV. Com in a supported browser. Once the app loads, tap Create Account and enter your name, email, and password. Make sure to use an email you check. You'll need it for verification. After verifying, select the pass you want, Entertainment, Sky Cinema, or Sky Sports. Then follow the prompts to add payment and confirm. Now you've completed the initial setup and can move. Once signed in, link your devices. Sign into the same account on phone, TV, or streaming stick. Make sure to name devices so you can manage active streams later. Next, choose which passes to activate and set up profiles for household members. This helps with recommendations. Configure parental controls if needed, then open settings to adjust playback quality and subtitles. Lowering quality reduces data use. If your device supports downloads, download shows for offline viewing. Make sure your broadband meets the pass. Now start watching. Pick a show or movie and press play. Use the scrub bar to jump around and set subtitles or audio from the player. To view on a larger screen, cast from mobile or connect via HDMI. Make sure both devices are on the same network when casting. To stop charges, go to Account My Passes to change or cancel a pass. If playback stutters, update the app, clear its cache, restart your device, and verify your internet speed. These steps fix most common problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.